Well, I'm going to give the final coat of paint to all the parts today. Everything except the engine block, because two-part epoxy paint doesn't do well with high heat. But there's three things you need to know about using two-part epoxy paint. The first is that it comes in two parts. There's a bladder inside the can. You puncture it from underneath. And then after it's been mixed, you have 2 hours to make use of the can after that it's finished. The second thing you need to know is that it doesn't cure the same way solvent paint does. It kicks in 10 minutes and it's dry. So the best thing to do is do multiple light coats every 10 minutes until your 2 hours is up and you've used up all of the can. The third thing is you have to wear a respirator when you're using this paint. You do not want to get any of this into your lungs. Beyond that, it's really easy paint to use. It goes on easily, it dries quick, and it makes a nice gasoline-resistant surface that's really durable. So I'll show you some pictures of all my stuff laid out, because if you're going to be painting everything in one go, you need to have everything laid out or hung up so that you can just take the spray can, spray everything, wait 10 minutes, spray again, and repeat. So come back when all my parts are painted and we can start reassembly. So I find that 1 can of two-part epoxy paint is enough to give 2 light coats across all the painted surfaces of one engine. So I use 2 cans of paint and I give everything 4 light coats, and as you can see, the finish is almost mirror-like. You can actually see the reflection of the chandelier in this, and it's very durable and it'll resist grease and gasoline. And of course the clear coat covers the decals, so they won't be able to come up at all. So now we're pretty much ready to start reassembling the engine, and we'll also have to redo the ignition system, set the timing, and take care of the starter. All right, so let's get to work.